Hello everyone.
Mkhulu sawubona.
Yeah,
Usuka ndoda endala.
ngisuka eShowe kodwa indawo yakithi sakhona semabhudle isigodi sakhona.
Kwenzekeni mkhulu njengoba kulana ngalesi sikhathi ku10 ebusuku?
Phela bengihamba nalabi ANC ngize la. Nekhansela belikhona lehlala laphila ucinga abanye kwenye indawo.
Uke wahla nje namhlanje.
Akusihle silambile.
Mucabanga yini ozoyenza uhamba kanjani uphindela kanjani emuva ekhaya?
Angazi.
Nonke banigcwele lana nishiwa amabhasi.
Alishiwa amabhasi.
Bonke labantu abagcwele la bashiwa amabhasi. ANC ifike yabafaka Moses Mabhida emva kwalokho yabashiya phansi. Njengoba ubona lapha khona umama uphethe ingane encane. Bonke labantu baningi naba abanye lapha ya. Nomuntu omdala olele lapha ya. Bonke labantu labo bashiya.
The majority of the ANC members from the Fezile-Dabi district in the Northern Free State allegedly used the party's manifesto launch at the Moses Mabhida Stadium on Saturday as an opportunity to visit the Durban beach. A source told the Star that he was not really interested in what ANC President Cyril Ramaphosa had to say at the manifesto launch, and said Ramaphosa didn't offer anything on Saturday, so according to him, he didn't miss anything, and said, "Our movement is a party of elites now. In our region, there were no buses, so people were handpicked to attend the event. I personally forced my way to be here. I was not part of the 50 people who were chosen to attend the event." And said 50 fortunate ones were transported by the ANC head of presidency Sibongile Bisane, who works in Ramaphosa's office at Luthuli House. According to the source, Besane paid for those who were loyal to him and followed him around whenever he was home. Another one also shared her excitement of being part of the few who traveled to the Moses Mabhida Stadium. She said it was her first time to visit Durban, and said, "I was also part of the gang that went to the beach on Saturday, and my reason is valid. I wanted to experience the sea breeze. In as much as I wished to attend the main event, I also wanted to do sightseeing. I can always watch the president's speech on YouTube or TikTok. I know comrades will share on those platforms." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.